I bought a trailer with everything still in it. A degenerate.
See, it needs an awning. Look up.
Okay.
It needs a new awning. That's like $1,500.
Oh, I'm scared. Well, that looks like something wet got on it.
So look for water.
Something leaking. It's actually not as bad as I thought.
I'll show you the worst. It's the fucking cabinet. Watch.
Oh, wait, stop. I don't want to touch anything.
Can you go and watch how it's
Yeah, come in.
So this is stuck because it's full of bug.
Oh. This is fine. Also, look how cute this wood color
It's
is.
nothing. It literally just needs to be cleaned.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't see any roof damage. I don't see any water leak damage. So we're all set.
Flipping it.
You could do whatever you want. You can make that storage or a hobby room. You could take that whole bed out, make that a little office like workplace, and you could put your bed here.
Yeah, this is not scary yet. It's not as bad as I thought at all.
You guys were way dreading it. It's not bad.
Let me take you into my crib, to my new crib. Do you want to say hi since you're over here doing things?
Hi, I'm assisting doing things over here. Hi.
If you hear background ruckus, it's because he's going through and taking things out. Like I said, it's very dusty. Can't really see anything, huh? Light? I don't know if you can. Anyway, it is 28 feet. That's how big the trailer is. We have a little dining area here. This part is a pop out. This whole little section pops out. There's a dining area here that folds into a bed, and a couch here that also folds into a bed, and there's storage underneath it. There's storage up here, and there's I don't know how much you can see from there. There's the bathroom back here, and we have a 3-tier kind of like bunk bed system going on. I am sitting you on the floor where there is water damage. That a lot needs to be fixed. But we have this gorgeous little kitchen area. Still has food in it, so I have to clean all that out. And then here's like the little TV area, entertainment center. And behind the entertainment center is the bed. And it's up right now because there's things inside of it. But this is like the bed area. Anyway, everything is still very much inside this trailer. So step 1 is going to be going through and pulling out all the stuff and tossing things that don't have value and keeping things that do have value. Bath, shower, that's me in the mirror, and then, little restroom area. But it's cute, it's perfect. Everything, it has a very thick layer of dust. There's definitely gross bugs and food we have to get through. And when I say we, I mean me. I'm gonna be cleaning all of this. How exciting. So other than it being full of stuff and bugs and like grime and just normal cleaning we have to do, I do have to go take it to get I have to go take the roof to get fixed, and it needs new tires. And we just put the pop out, and we were walking over here, and there is like massive water damage on the floor right here. So that also has to get fixed amongst the other things. But every weekend for upcoming weekends, I'm going to be cleaning it out. So step 1 is going to be cleaning everything out, getting rid of all the bugs, getting rid of all the food, getting rid of all the junk, just getting like a good deep clean, pretty good clean before we take it to, I keep saying we, it's mine, y'all. It's just me. I keep saying we because I am going to pay my younger sibling, Dylan, to help me clean the inside. So my dad is pulling everything out from all of the little compartments on the outside. But yeah, so we're just going to go through everything, and I'm going to take you on the journey with me. Let's get to cleaning. Looks like I don't need to buy a broom. So right now, I'm kind of just taking the things out. Play-Doh. Oh wow. Play-Doh toys. Look. Bunch of propane tanks. So we've got some portable fans. Little portable fans. Got some gloves. There are bugs all up in this stuff. Like there's spider webs. Ugh. Oh, it's hot. Let me show you the nastiness that is this pantry. Like, I don't know if you can see. Oh, I almost dropped my camera. Gross. So gross. It's like little bugs. It actually, also something spilled down the front. Also, it won't open all the way because there's like bug carcass shells in the tracks of the drawers. So it won't even open all the way. Gross. Also, I already tossed out the mattress for these bunk beds. I'm gonna toss the top one out. I just haven't pulled it down yet, but I'm not keeping those mattresses. And I'm actually thinking I'm gonna convert that into like shelving storage, so I shouldn't even need the mattresses. So I got all that out except for the propane tank. So I was gonna see if what my dad wants to do with those, because I'm not gonna do anything with them. I'm gonna go through these cabinets. A lot of art supplies. It's not as bad as I thought at all. They made it seem like there were like roaches, like really nasty things everywhere, but it's really only the pantry that's kind of gross. The rest of the stuff is just like normal like beetles and shit. That's not happening. I can't do it. There's a whole white full table here. Covered in stuff. Oh, there's so many webs. Gross. Oh, this is my worst nightmare actually. Okay, so we pulled everything out of the little cubbies on the sides of the trailer, and this is everything that was in it. Bunch of stuff. Go over here. Razor scooters, camping chairs, little heaters, lights, things like this, penny boards, fishing poles, all this stuff. Old ass TV. There's a bunch of cup of noodles under the bed. Oh! Literally just said don't step there, and I stepped there and it broke. Yeah, so the food's all out, but that's really gross.
One good thing coming from the bug carcasses,
Yeah.
it soaked up a lot of that weird pumpkin stuff.
Now this is kind of cool. There's a whole coffee maker, and
Is that a panini press or a waffle press?
Mom might want these. I don't need these. Can I get some of that bag?
Yeah. You should just start a new bag.
Broke and needed work, and I worked on that thing for like 3 years every weekend.
We figured out how to work the stereo.
I've seen that literally since then.
Disgusting.
I was looking at the camera. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow, you suck. No, there's the camera. Hold on. Ready?
Just broke.
$200 knife.
We're going to. Are you good?
$200 knife.
We were just gonna pull that mattress out first.
$90 knife. And this is a really cool and cute bear claw necklace. You want a Nike volleyball air pump for sale? Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees.
This is not level, so every time someone moves, the whole thing goes like this.
Yeah. So it's day 2,
We're back in the trailer, cleaning. Yesterday we got a lot done. We got everything out, like literally everything that we were pulling out, we got out and bagged and taken to the dumpster. In my mind, the hard part's done, because to me the hard part was getting in here and filling trash bags and getting everything out and getting all the bugs vacuumed out and stuff. So that's mostly done. Honestly, I think we can finish today cleaning. Basically everything's gone. So let me give you a little like update on where we're at. We put this here so no one steps there because that's where the water damage is. But we stripped the mattress. We took everything out of all the cabinets. I ordered a plastic cover for this mattress because there's no damage to it. There was like a 6-inch memory foam on top that took all the damage, so the mattress is fine. And these are like specific trailer mattresses that are like custom fit, and I don't want to buy a new one, so we're just gonna put a plastic cover over it because the leak has not been fixed. So until the leak gets fixed, I'm gonna have a plastic over this. But we're basically going through all the empty cabinets and we're just gonna be wiping everything down with some like industrial grade disinfectant wipes. All this drawers under here, the cabinets up here, the table, literally every surface everywhere, all back here. We took these mattresses out yesterday and tossed them because I'm not planning on having beds in here anyway. I'm planning on converting this into like complete storage. So yeah, I started to wipe out the fridge. Still needs to be wiped out. We need to go through these drawers and the pantry and clean it all out. And the real big monster we're dealing with today is the bathroom, because it's so bad. The window up here broke, so every time it rains, and the storage unit that we have, or like the storage space we have for the trailer, or I keep saying we, it's me. The storage space that I have for the trailer doesn't have a, that it was sitting at, doesn't have like a roof or a ceiling or anything. It was uncovered parking. So every time it rained, it just came in, and you can tell the counter took a lot of water, and literally all this wood took so much water. So there's like white spots everywhere, and I'm like pretty sure that it's mold. So we're tackling the mold today. I have bleach, and I'm just gonna bleach the F out of it and scrub it and try to get rid of most of it. When I go get it repaired, because we're taking this in, I'm taking this in for repairs after it's cleaned. I just didn't want like bugs and stuff to be in here. So after it's all cleaned out, it's gonna go to repairs, and they're gonna repair the whole bathroom. I just wanted to get rid of as much mold as possible so that like when we take it for repairs, it's not like, girl, you have a lot of mold. I'm like, I know. So I'm trying to get rid of the mold. But so far we already know there's multiple leaks. The floor is caving in right here, and the bathroom needs to be redone basically. But other than that, everything else is fine. Everything else is sound. So today's goal is wiping everything out with industrial grade wipes and shock vacuuming basically everything. So I just wiped the wood varnish off of that with this wipe. See that spot down there where like the wood's showing? The wipe just wiped off the wood varnish. Wonderful! I'm pretty sure it has to be replaced anyway. Moving on to the fridge.
Let's look at Paige's playlist. Pedro Pascal is bae. Negan is bae.
Those are if I were dating them, that's what we would listen to.
Oh dear lord, you need help. Missy Day, bitch.
That's like my hippie one.
Cowboys Are Hot with a picture of Negan.
I have a cleaning playlist.
Okay.
Put the cleaning one on.
this.
Really? This used to be like your favorite song.
This is Dylan. I'm doing the update because she's currently trying to figure out how to climb on the roof.
Okay, so here's the update. I'm duct taping this because there's a window here, and the window broke, and that's what's been flooding the bathroom. So I'm just gonna keep adding duct tape until I feel like it's taped.
This is how it looks right now. We ran into a few issues, but we also ran into a few triumphs. Oh my god, I almost just fell through the floor. This is the mattress cover we put on for the water damage that comes through the ceiling. I won't mess up the good mattress.
Now here's the thing, it has to survive the drive.
We finished wiping out literally everything. Everything's wiped, everything's good, all the cabinets. We finished, I don't know if you guys remember, but there was like, I don't know how she's gonna do this video, but there was like, I don't know how to open this. Fuck, okay. There was like black tar, or not tar, it was grease, but I got a lot of it out.
The other thing is, I can totally see this duct tape melting into the top of the trailer.
The bathroom is better than it was. I bleached out the whole thing and cleaned that, and wiped off the mirrors. She did some of that as well. Here's the bad thing. All of our outlets stopped working, so the shock vac isn't working, so we can't vacuum anything else. Every single outlet, none of the breakers are messed up, can't figure out what's wrong.
I mean, any protection is better than what it was.
But the lights work, so that makes no sense. But it's fine, and yeah, finished all that, and now Paige is getting on the roof. To put a trash bag with duct tape over the ceiling so that it doesn't get water damage next time it rains. And she's got a bunch of cords we found. And she uses this place. So that's all. Dylan out.
Say hi. This is the seal. Think any water's gonna get through? I think we're good.